What do you do on an average day? Today, I would like to tell you about my daily activities. Every morning from Monday to Saturday, I get up at 6 o'clock. I usually eat dumplings or breakfast. I take the bus to school every morning. I still at school until 11:30 a.m. I return at noon to have lunch with my family. I always get home at 6 p.m. 7 p.m. After dinner, while my parents watch television in the living room, I study English in my room. I'm free at weekends. On Sunday mornings, I often get up late. Then I often go to the ring multi or go running with my friends. On rainy Sundays, I stay at home, reading books, sit, listening to music, and play in games. What do you like to do on sunny Sundays? Do you usually go to church on Sunday? I go there only on Christmas. What do you usually on the weekend? I just relax at home. I spend a lot of time writing in my diary. Do you like long distance running? I often go for a walk in the park near my home. Do you enjoy your everyday life? Yes, I do. My life is great.